Hi friends! Today we're going to focus on the word and. A-N-D. Let's read the word together. Here we go. And. Let me hear you one more time. Excellent. Let's take a look at what we're going to do with this word. So for the next part, you're going to go ahead and spell the word 3 times. So we're going to start with A, N, D. Those are the letters in the word and. For every time you spell it, you're going to drag one of these gems over to the treasure box to see what is underneath. Next, you're going to write the word in the air 3 times. Use those fingers nice and high. For every time you write it in the air, you're going to drag one of the cars over. So you'll write it 3 times in the air, and each time you'll drag one of the cars over. Now, you'll build the word by using the butterflies at the bottom. You're going to drag the letters in the box at the top in order to build the word. Think about what comes first, what letter comes next, and what is the end sound of the word and. Now you're ready to type the word. Look at this ice cream. You'll type the word first, and then you're going to put the cherry on top to check your answer. So you'll move the cherry. Here we have the alphabet. You're going to drag the letters in order to build the word and. So look at the alphabet letters and build that word again. Then you're going to use all of the yellow dots that are here, and you're going to cover up all of the ones that show and. Be very careful because there are some words in here that have other sounds with them but start with an A. Like I could see all, but that's not the same as and. Next, you're going to head and put a check mark over the correct spelling of the word and an X over the ones that are spelled incorrectly. Then you will type the words 3 times using your keyboard. Look at the top to help you. The word is listed there. Then you'll finally find the word and read the sentence. When you find the word in the sentence, you'll move the pink highlighter strip to where the word is in the sentence. I'm going to help you read the sentence. The sentence says, "We like to run and jump." So you'll move the highlighter to where the word and is. Here's a sentence checklist. It starts with a capital letter. She can run. Perfect. I see the capital letter in the beginning. It has spaces between the words. She, space, can, space, run. Awesome. We know all sentences end with a punctuation. At the end, it has a period. And then we're reading it back to ourselves. She can run. Beautiful. It makes sense. You're going to write your own sentence with the word and. All right? You could start off with something like, I love blue and pick another color. Or think about something that you like to eat. I eat cereal and include another item that you like to eat. And then you're done. And there you are. Well done. Awesome job. You have just mastered the sight word of and.